Gutter to Gold. Lee Murray's Gutter to Gold. Gutter to Gold. What would an 11-year internet marketing veteran do if he had to start all over from scratch? With no list, website, or reputation, and with very little cash. He equipped only with the knowledge that he has acquired over the past decade. In Gutter to Gold 19-time Warrior Plus Deal of the Day winner, Lee Murray answers this. He walks you through his exact, step-by-step process. No product launching required. Nobody else is teaching this stuff. DFY funnel and emails included. B. What is Gutter to Gold? In short, it's the ultimate business plan for everyone. It challenges the notion that normal internet marketing is better and more ethical than business opportunities. It doesn't just challenge the notion, it destroys it. But most importantly, it answers the question, what would I, Lee Murray, do if I had to start all over again from scratch, with no list, website, reputation, or massive budget? What if all that I had was the knowledge I've acquired over the past 11+ years of being a successful online entrepreneur? The answer may shock some, but from my very first video, folks will quickly come to understand that I'm right. My methods work, and making a fortune online doesn't require tons of ongoing effort or money. In addition to my powerful videos, where I show folks how to build the absolute perfect funnel designed to have them earning multi-tier, passive, recurring commissions in a viral way, I'm also giving them a suite of tools to use, including my very own 100% hands-off funnel that they can just plug into and start profiting from. Even the traffic is included. I'm also including done-for-you emails and additional funnels and lead magnets. There's nothing else like this on the market. It's the most complete plug-and-play system ever created. Lee Murray's Gutter to Gold.